Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to invest in the Nigerian stock market. I know on this channel over and over again we've talked about how to invest in the US stock market as a Nigerian, but because I've been posting a lot of videos about Nigerian stocks on Instagram, I figured it only makes sense that I share with you on here a well detailed video because for a fact I know that people say, "Oh, I'm not able to catch on to what you were saying in your Instagram videos because they are usually very fast. It's less than 2 minutes, and I just kind of like jump cut everything." So today I'm gonna be sharing with you how you can actually invest in the Nigerian stock market using your Trove account. Now, if there's anything you need to know about Trove, it's the fact that the application is not so user friendly, but I've been using Trove since 2021, so I know my way around it. As a beginner, or if this is your first time you're going to be invested in the Nigerian stock market, I am going to advise you to take your time to learn the app. Just check through before you start investing at all. Another great app that I use to invest in the Nigerian stock market is called Afri Invest. I'm going to leave the links to download both Trove and Afri Invest in the description box. Make sure to download via the link in the description box. There's like I think, what is it called? They give you like bonus. I don't know. I'm not sure because according to the Trove app, they say okay, when someone signs up, they'll give the person and they gives me. But I've not received anything like a long period of time, so I don't know. But you can still use the link in the description box to download Trove. Now, the first thing you need to do before investing is to make your research before investing. And to make your research is actually very, very simple. You want to listen to news, you want to check the market report, you want to actually monitor the stocks of the company, you want to check their management, their revenue, check if they are actually making money or they are losing money. You don't want to just go in blindly and say, oh, because I use MTN, I want to invest in MTN. Actually, MTN is a very great stock and I invest in MTN. But what I'm saying is that you need to learn how to do your research. There are several ways to do your research. For example, I started investing in Transcorp shares when the old Tony Elumelu and Otedola saga happened. And I was like, okay, this is something I would like to do. I invested, it was selling for about 3 naira back then, but now it's selling for over 6 naira, which is mind blowing. That's over 100% return on investment. So, one thing you need to always do is to listen to the news and follow who no road. Means I've never no road finish. Oh, you get just, listen to the news, check trends, monitor their stocks. So, if you're a beginner, you don't need to go into investing bam once and for all because, okay, one Adeshalami is talking about it or one somebody is talking about it. If you can get a financial advisor that will tell you what to do, when to do it, and when to do it rather. And for me, I just like investing in stocks. And one thing I would always do is to invest in dividend paying stocks. I don't care. I don't care. I love the idea of dividend paying stocks because you just get to receive money here and there when you don't expect. And it just do you get what I'm saying? So I don't want to make this video too long. So the first thing you need to do, of course, is to download your Trove account, fund it, register. I already made an entire video on how to fund your Trove account. So be sure to check the description box for the videos. Now, after logging into your Trove account, I already have 50,000 naira here on my Trove, but for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to show you how you can invest. Now, I'm currently filming when the stock market is closed because I'm filming at night, obviously. That is when I actually get to film. But this order is going to be executed as soon as the stock market is open in the morning tomorrow. So the stock market opened between 10 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. West African time. Just in case you're not in Nigeria, you're watching this. Do you get? So if I place my order today, it's going to be executed tomorrow. And most of the time, if I film videos and I have to talk about the stock market, this is what I mostly do. Now, as you can see, I have 49,000 naira buying power and I have a lot of stocks on my portfolio. But today, I want to invest in Wema Bank. Wema Bank is that bank that I feel like, okay, I've been hiring you for a while. Let's do this. So all you have to do is search the company, search for companies that you're interested in. Oh, I'm also interested in Fidelity Bank. I'm going to click on Wema Bank right here, and it's currently selling for 5 naira 26 cents. So because I'm just trying this for the first time, I'm just going to buy 1,000 shares because 1,000 shares of Wema Bank is 5,000 naira. And one of my investing goals again is to have at least 1,000 shares of each companies that I'm interested in. So this is Wema Bank, and I can afford to buy 1,000. I would just buy it easily. There are some stocks that are selling for like 300 and something naira. For example, Geregu, Dankote, which one like MTN, those ones are like 200, 300 naira. If I have to buy 1,000 shares, it's going to cost me like thousands of naira. Do you get? So because I can afford this, I can easily just go into it. So I want to buy just 1,000 shares of Wema Bank. I'm going to review the cost. As you can see, what I basically did here was just to like click on, let me go back, click on the buy here, and I'm going to input 1,000. I'm going to review the cost, and this is the estimation, 5,260 naira. You can also tap to review your order. You can see the order type, you can see the quantity, the share price, the service fee, and the total fee. So the commission I'm going to be paying, the commission and processing fee here is 127 naira 74 kobo. The minute I click on swipe to buy here, it's going to say the market you're attempting to trade is currently closed. Orders will not be executed until the market is open. And I'm just going to continue this trade right here, and it's done. As you can see, my order has been placed. I bought 1,000 shares of Wema Bank. You will receive blah 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 blah. This is the total amount of money I spent. So this is basically how you can just invest in any Nigerian company without stressing. But it is also very, very important that you do your research before investing in any company. You don't want to stress it, you don't want to overthink it. Just do your research, and I'm sure you'll be good. You can also follow me on Instagram at Adeshalami. Follow me on TikTok at Adeshalami, where I post videos every day about finance. We've come to the end of this video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel by clicking on subscribe button down below. Also turn on the post notification bell right beside it so you can get notified when I post similar videos related to this one. Thank you very much. I'm going to see you in my next one. Bye guys.
¿Cuánto tiempo tengo sin verte? En verdad no quiero creerte. Cuando te fuiste quedó en mi... ¿Cuánto tiempo tengo sin verte? En verdad no quiero creerte. Cuando te fuiste quedó en mi... ¿Cuánto tiempo tengo sin verte?